Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to use VPN on your iPhone because you want to securely browse the web without compromising your personal information when connecting to a public network? In this video, I will show you how to set up and use VPN in any iOS device. Let's go. There are two ways to use a VPN on your iPhone. You can either use a VPN app, or if you already have VPN credentials, you can set up the VPN in the settings of your iOS device. To configure an already existing one, search in the settings for VPN. Tap on VPN and Device Management and choose VPN. Click on Add VPN Configuration at the bottom of the screen and start the configuration process. Keep in mind that you can only use this option if you have the manual configuration at hand. Then you can fill out the details and provide the necessary configurations on the required fields. If you don't know the configuration details yet, you can search for your VPN provider online and try to find out the server, remote, and local ID. Also, you may set up a description of your VPN for easier identification and provide user credentials in order to authenticate your connection. After that, you should be able to find it here amongst your available VPN connections. Then you will be able to switch your status to Connected. But the easiest method really is to just download an app offering VPN service. There are many VPN services, and if you are already subscribed to one, you can just search and download it on the App Store. If you don't have one yet, I recommend NordVPN, which is one of the most used VPN services today. Note that NordVPN is a paid app, but if you want an exclusive deal for your device, you can get it for a discounted price by clicking on the link above or in the description below. Then you will have to sign up to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once signed in, you will automatically see a map of available servers. As you can see, I am not connected to any VPN yet and my device is unprotected. For the sake of demonstration, I will show you my current IP address. With NordVPN, you have different types of servers. You have dedicated IP, which gives you the same IP that are also known as static IP servers. With dynamic or regular IP servers, you'll be getting a different IP address every time you go back to one of these servers, whereas with dedicated IP servers, you will always get the same IP. Using the app is as simple as tapping on Quick Connect, and the program will automatically connect you to the available server it thinks is best for you. You can also directly pin on the map to choose any country you would like to connect to. A country pin will turn green on your map once you're connected, and a VPN icon will remain in your status bar while the connection is active. You can even browse further through the list of countries and choose one you wish to switch to. As you can see, my IP address has changed after connecting with NordVPN. Another quite useful feature is MeshNet. Click on the second tab to enable this feature. Once MeshNet is activated, it will allow you to connect to linked devices wherever you are and redirect all the traffic through one device. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.